Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. I will stop sharing bed with Eric is a distraction, Lilo tells Biggie. Wow, there's trouble in paradise for Lilo and Eric. During a secondary session, Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown housemate Lilo opened up on how a game could be made by her closeness with co-housemate Eric. Lilo, who since the reality TV show started in July 19 has almost been seen at all times either in bed or sitting near or going about her daily activities with Eric. Many viewers have also questioned why Lilo couldn't focus on what brought her into a one-in-a-lifetime show like Big Brother Naija. Others have even conclusively decided not to cast votes for any of the two lovebirds who they believe need to be evicted from the show to give way for serious housemates. However, while in her diary session, Biggie advised Lilo to have it at the back of her mind that she came to Big Brother Naija show as an individual, and for no reason should she think that their guarantee being with Eric will be up And for no reason should she think that there's guarantee being with Eric will up again, even though it might at some point do. In her words, Lilo told Biggie she has realized being with Eric seems like a distraction and one thing she will do is stop sharing bed with him. In her words, she said, I've realized being with Eric seems like a distraction. I have to stop sharing the bed with him, Lilo told Biggie. Lilo's diary session with Biggie happened last night and we filed this report today. We can rightly confirm that Lilo didn't keep to her word. She was seen in bed with Eric over the night. Meanwhile, Lilo is a 23-year-old dietitian from Lagos born Boluwatife Adoragba. The reality TV star is also an entrepreneur and describes herself as a product of God's grace. Lilo learned during lockdown to sew. She lives by the words "trust in God." Lilo's biggest achievement was starting her own brand. So guys, this is what is going on in the house right now. Lilo is being distracted and she says she's going to keep away from Eric, but from all indications, she hasn't. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if it's your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.